Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, you will learn when you should clone your hard disk drive. Cloning is the process of copying the entire contents of one drive to another hard disk drive or an SSD. When you clone your drive, you will duplicate an exact copy of your operating system, such as Mojave, Catalina, Big Sur, Monterey, or Ventura, including your third-party applications, photos, music files, movies, Word and Excel documents, PDF files, etc. There are lots of tutorials on how to clone your drive or disk. In this video, I want to answer a different question. The question is, when should I clone my hard drive? When is the best time to clone my drive? Or what to do before cloning my drive or SSD to an external drive? Cloning is like having a spare key for your house or car. When you lose or forget your key, you can use the spare one to enter your home or open your car door without any trouble. If you have never cloned your hard disk drive or SSD, you can watch my tutorial video on how to clone your disk. I leave the link in the description right underneath this video. 1 week before recording this video, I had a problem with Microsoft Teams. MS Teams didn't launch. I restarted my laptop and tried to open the application, but it didn't launch. I didn't have time to figure out what the problem was. I decided to connect my external SSD to my MacBook and managed to attend the online meeting. When the meeting was over, I had time to troubleshoot the issue I had with Microsoft Teams. To answer the above question, when should I clone my disk? The short answer is, do it when you have no issues using your Mac or PC. You don't want to clone problems. Before cloning my Mac internal drive to my external SSD, I go through the following checklist to ensure that I won't end up with a bad clone. Let's start with number 1. Make sure there are no problems with your Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet connection. Number 2. Make sure your firewall and virus scanner applications are working without issues. Number 3. Your Mac is not infected by a virus or malware. Number 4. You have no problems with printing and scanning documents. Number 5. Can send and receive emails. Number 6. Have no problems using video conferencing applications such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Skype. Number 7. Most frequently used applications are updated and working. Finally, make sure you have enough space on your external drive and it is recommended that you leave 15 to 20% of your external drive empty for better performance. I hope you found this video helpful, and I would appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel and click on the like button to encourage me to make more videos for you and help my tutorials reach more people. Thank you for watching.